How to recover deleted text messages on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can recover the deleted text messages on our Android device. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you have the text messages on Android and you want to recover it, you can just follow up this method. So you can head over to your text messages section and you can just go ahead and delete one of your account. For example, tap and move it to recycle bin. So when you move it to recycle bin and you can go to the three dot at the top right corner and go to recycle bin, you'll be finding the deleted messages here. So in order to recover it, you can long press on it and go to restore option in the bottom and restore it. Otherwise, if you have deleted it permanently, there is not really a way unless you have backed in other sources like Google or different sources. So for now, this is the method you can apply up in order to restore or recover the only deleted messages on Android. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.